The Bee Sneeze by Kate Poels, illustrated by Letizia Rizzo. Turquoise Band. Ned was a bee. Most bees like to fly and dance, but buzz between the flowers, but not Ned's. Ned's wings got tired when he did too much flying, and his legs tangled when he tried to dance. But worst of all were the flowers, because they made him sneeze. Ned was a bee who was much happier just bumbling around. The other bees teased him. "Come on, Ned," they said. "Why won't you join us?" But Ned always says no, and O means no. One day there was a big competition called the Great Flying Bee. All the bees from miles around came to see who were the best flyers. Ned made a picnic and went to watch with his good friend Phoebe. "Will you enter any of the races?" Phoebe asked. "No," said Ned. "I am going to watch while I eat my sandwiches." "I am going to try to win the crown for the fastest flyer," said Phoebe. "I've been practicing." Phoebe had to wait because the competition to see which bee could fly the highest was about to start. Ned cheered when they took off. He looked up into the sky to see how far they went. The winner was a bee called Maggie. She had flown up past the clouds and tickled the tummy of an airplane. Queen Bee gave her a gold medal. The trick flyers went next. They had to fly through hoops, weave around poles, and whiz through tunnels. "That looks very tricky," said Phoebe. "It looks very tiring," said Ned. All of the trick flyers were really good, but Ravi Bee was the best of all. He won gold rosetti. Then it was Phoebe's turn as his speed flyers lined up for their race. "Good luck," said Ned. "Have fun." Phoebe came in second place and was given a silver medal. Ned clapped loudly when Queen Bee hung it around Phoebe's neck. A trumpet played and Ned turned around to see what was happening. The last contest was the most important. It was the freestyle, the one everyone wanted to win. It was also Ned's favorite. He loved to watch the bees do their spins, flip, leaps, and hops. The bees scored points for style and talent. Whoever got the most pointed would win the Great Flying Bee Gold Cup. All of the bees started to get ready in the big arena. Ned got ready too. He stood up and went to find a good spot to watch from. Phoebe came to join him. "Did you see me fly?" she asked. "Yes," said Ned. "You were brilliant." As the first bees began to fly, Ned felt a tickle in his nose. He looked at Phoebe and saw the big bunch of flowers she was holding. "Oh no," he said. The tickle got bigger and bigger until it burst out of him with a loud achoo! It was the biggest sneeze any bee had ever known. It shot Ned backwards into the arena. The sneeze was so big that it made him twist and spin as he went. He looped the loop and turned 3 spirals before landing in the middle of the arena. All the other bees went wild. "Ned," they shouted, "you are the greatest freestyle flyer ever," Ned asked. "Yes," they cheered. "Hooray for Ned." "Here's your prize," said Queen Bee. "The greatest Flying Bee Gold Cup and a lovely big bunch of—" "No," said Ned, "not flowers. Achoo!" Ned felt the flowers behind, but he was very pleased to take the gold cup home. He placed it carefully on the shelf. Ned was very proud to be the greatest freestyle flyer, but Ned was still a bee who liked to keep his feet on the ground, and he was also a bee who kept well away from the flowers. Quiz. Bees like to fly and dance and between the flowers, but not Ned. A. Singing. B. Buzzing. C. Crashing. Buzzing is the answer. What is the big competition called? A. Grand Buzz Bee. B. Best Flying Triers. C. Great Flying Bee. Great Flying Bee is the answer. What contest does Phoebe enter? A. Fastest Flyer. B. Speedy Flyby. C. Highest Flyer. Highest Flyer is the answer. Who won the gold Rossetti? A. Ravi B. B. Maggie. C. Phoebe. Phoebe is the answer. What is Ned's favorite contest? A. Trick flying. B. The freestyle. C. Speed flying. The freestyle is the answer.